Maimar says that Zuhri said to him, "Should not I narrate two strange ahadith to you?" Hazrat Abu Hurairah radiyallahu anhu states that the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "A man wronged himself by never doing good deeds. When he neared his death, he instructed his sons, 'When I die, burn me, then pulverize me, and then scatter me into the sea. For by Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, if my Lord Jalla Jalaluhu gets control of me, He Jalla Jalaluhu will mete out so severe torment to me as He Jalla Jalaluhu has never ever awarded to anyone.'" He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, his sons did the same. Allah Jalla Jalaluhu commanded the earth, "Return what you have taken." And there that man was standing. Allah Jalla Jalaluhu said to him, "What urged you to do so?" He submitted, "O Lord Jalla Jalaluhu, the fear of you." Or he submitted, "The dread of you." Allah Jalla Jalaluhu whereupon pardoned him. Second hadith is Hazrat Abu Hurairah radiyallahu anhu states that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "A woman entered hell because of a cat. She kept it tied and neither fed it nor watered it nor released it so that it might consume the vermin of the earth until it died of decrepitude." Zuhri said, these ahadith imply that a man should neither rely completely on Allah's mercy and leave actions nor get despaired of His mercy. Sahih Muslim Hadith number 6915.